Let's make carne en su jugo, which is a popular dish from Guadalajara. I'm using some thinly cut eye-round steak and just slicing it into small pieces. I'm also going to slice up some bacon, get a large soup pot, go ahead and cook the bacon until it gets nice and crispy. Then remove it, and we're going to reserve some of the oil to cook the meat in. I also like to reserve some bacon to garnish the soup later. I'm adding whole green onions, sauteing it in the bacon grease, and now add in the diced beef. Season it with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of beef bouillon. You don't want to fry the beef, but just kind of cook it to release its juices, hence carne en su jugo. So add some raw tomatillos, a jalapeno, a little bit of water and salt. You can also add the cilantro at this point, but I like to cook it whole so the sauce doesn't turn too green. Add in the blended tomatillos, your whole cilantro, and simmer it until the beef is nice and tender. Remove the onion and cilantro. Serve the carne en su jugo with some beans, some diced onion and cilantro and radishes on top, that extra bacon, and a warm corn tortilla. It's absolutely delicious.